Hello my friends, that would be short review, like unboxing about two flashlights, which I am testing right now. So this one is Wurkkos for far distance, you see, so 1 kilometer with only 2200 lumens. That's not a lot. For this distance, cause it use interesting optic, it use interesting SFT 40 inside. You see this nice looking optic, and 200 lumens, sorry, 2200. Have Type-C charging, nice looking design. Inside big battery. Just compare, for example, with this one, SBT 90.2 with 5000 lumens from Convoy, about the same price. Here we have 330 candles, here we have 270. Just check that. That's funny. They forgot 10 in turbo, not 27, but 270 candles. That's interesting. So I will test it. I will show you how it works, maybe in a week. Now let's talk about Skilhunt H150 headlamp. I prefer high-Cree solution. Maybe I will lost some lumens, but I will have pretty look light. That's very important for using like a headlamp. They added those interesting holder for headband. You see, I can change place it. I can use it like vertical, horizontal, different places. Here we have tear optic, look like not protected by glass. Here we have level of battery, charging. Here we have magnet. Not bad contact for charging, as it should be. Very simple EV, not Unreal, not something like it. Short press for on, short press for off. Press and hold for moonlight. Can change moonlight by double click. We have turbo, and also can change powerful by press and hold from on. What else I will show you? This one interesting smartwatch. What I testing now, I can use Alexa exactly here. Review of it will be in a couple days. I think will be interesting. So in description I will left link for this Wurkkos, but they didn't sell it right now. Also, we left link for this Skilhunt, but also they didn't sell it right now. They find some bugs in driver and will fix it. I think in a week they will sell new version, would be all fine. So full review of it will be when I will get improved version, not like this one. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see a lot of new reviews. Bye bye.